Kaja! Hi guys, Carl Jason here of Kaja Reviews, and for this unboxing video, I have a special guest. It's Snorlax. So cute, right? So let me just put him at the side for a while. So for this video, I'll be unboxing the Redmi Note 10 Pro, which I got way back January of this year. Yes, this video was shot way before, and it's just now that I'm showing you this video because I was a bit busy. So sorry for that. Now, as we can see, this box is well packaged. I'll just slowly open it for you guys. The sound of paper. So at the sides, there is the Redmi Note 10 Pro branding. And at the front, you can see the available colors. But let me just put Snorlax to the side, so we can have more focus on this video. Yes. Slowly remove this cool wrapping, and you could see the Redmi Note 10 Pro box. If you noticed, it's already opened because when I got it last January, I had to check. So for those who are curious, I've purchased this on Lazada for 11,590 pesos, around 217 US dollars, and I got it at a discounted price. So now, here's the box, now opened, and we can see the designed by Redmi branding. Inside our phone, but let's focus first on this small box. When we open it, we can see this tiny SIM ejector tool. And inside, we have our manuals. So there. Well, I guess nobody reads that, but I do. So I'll keep it for later. Now, I'm holding the clear jelly case, and I like it. So let's move these for a while. Now, here's the phone. Exciting, right? So the color that I got is Onyx Gray, and you could see how elegant it is. I love the color so much. See the shine? Perfect for me, guys. And I'll just prepare this microfiber cloth because it's a fingerprint magnet. Now, also in the box, we have our 33-watt charger. Based on my testing, it's really fast and I totally love it. So, I'm holding it for you guys so you can see how it looks like. Also, there's an orange design inside. And lastly, we have our USB Type-C cable. Unfortunately though, we don't have any included earphones. But the good thing with this phone is that it has a 3.5mm jack, which means you can use your wired earphones. This is also why that I purchased a separate earphones from the QKZ brand. And this is the QKC AK6 earphones, which I'll have a separate review soon, so make sure to subscribe. Now, I'll just set this phone up and I'll show you how it looks like. I know when I'm checking this video now, it's quite long, guys, especially this setup process. That's why I have decided to fast forward it and to skip a lot of parts. Good thing Snorlax is still sleeping, and yeah, he's back. So cute, right? And after minutes of waiting, now we finally have the Redmi Note 10 Pro in action. As you can see, there are a lot of pre-installed applications and so cute. And to end this video, let me show you the camera. So cute. And there we have it. Our unboxing video is now finished. Thank you so much for those who have supported my channel, and we have a lot in store for this year. So, bye for now guys!